Today I was embarrassed. So I went out to buy something along the main roadside. So as I was walking, I saw somebody on the bike. And that person was actually waving towards my direction. I thought it was me. So I waved back. I said, to be nice of me to wave back, even though I don't know the person, maybe that person knows me. So as the person was passing on bike, I realized that the wave is not actually towards my direction again. Just from somebody, he was waving at somebody behind me. So I just turned back and I saw that he was waving at somebody behind me. I was so embarrassed. And I've been waving for like, let me say, 1 or 2 seconds. Let me say 2 seconds. And people actually saw me. So I was just so embarrassed. And that person was not nice enough to wave back at me also. After he saw that I was waving at him. And he saw me. And he did not even wave back. Hmm?